Hi guys, I'm Kenneth Super Ken Calhoun, and I'm going to be teaching a class today on Encapsulated Pros-Aide Prosthetics. Makeup is an additive process. You are adding stuff to somebody's face, and you can add way too much sometimes. These are the cheek prosthetics that I had made, and the cleft chin. I accidentally destroyed the brow blocker, so I'm going to resculpt those right now. I'm going to be sculpting 2 brow pieces, blocking out detail, then it's mold making. I'm going to show you the steps that I like to take for prepping these before we actually start pouring the silicone into it. With this particular kind of makeup, what I like about it is that you don't need to cover an actor's face in a pound of rubber for everything. They're just really, really subtle changes to her face. So it's going to be a lot of fun today. That's what it's all about, I guess. Makeup to me is about innovation and having fun, so that's all that we're going to do. We're just going to play.